What is up, guys? It's your boy, No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the 2 Minute Drill, guys. Today we had, today was just today. And if you even one time fought the trend, you had a horrible day. You did not have a fun day. Okay, today we went from a break out of the balance zone to a gap up that instantly traps all of these people short down here. We never got back below 402, and we never looked back once we got over 408. A major update, 2% update. You can see it up here. Probably the biggest update candle I've seen in some time outside of maybe this one right here. Okay, but nonetheless, pretty much from the gap down below all the way up, I think it was an 8 to almost 9-point day at the highs. So what does that mean now? Well, we had Amazon. Then Amazon, if you take a peek here, let's go to like a 1-hour chart. And then if you take a peek here at Amazon report, we started skyrocketing it up to 413.50 area. Only to have Amazon absolutely take a shit. I don't know what happened, but it looks like right when the call started happening, somebody said something that somebody didn't like. Because Amazon went up 14 after hours on the data release, on the news release, on the earnings release is what I meant to say. And now is trading at 107, about $2 less than the close price. So what does that mean for us? Well, currently futures are down only about 5 handles. SPY putting us right back at about 412 even-ish. So for tomorrow now, what does that mean? Well, we know what. Guys, remember zoom out. I've been screaming about it all day. We've been sitting in this balance zone, right? We've been in this balance zone right here for some time. We had some balancing. We had a look above, called that a look above fail. Okay. We had a test of the lower part. We had a breakdown fail. Okay. So longs trapped up here, bring it down and inflict pain. Shorts trapped down here, bring it up, inflict pain. So what do we think is going to happen tomorrow? Probably ultimate fuckery. But what do we have on the docket for tomorrow? Quite a morning. Okay, we got personal income, personal spending. That's all going to be consumer focused. Then PCE comes out. That's a price metric that's important because it'll allow us to have more understanding what the Fed is going to do. So there will definitely be some movement. Then 15 minutes in Chicago business barometer, and then the consumer sentiment index. So a plethora of data for tomorrow. So this fuckery of a week isn't even close to being over. Okay, but out of the chart, what's the plan for tomorrow? Well, now let's go down to like a 4-hour chart. Look a little bit cleaner here. Let's just get this area we've been trading in for quite some time now. So look, we had our balance, look above, fail. Okay, look below, fail. What are we going to do now? Well, we know the bottom of the balance is still about 404. Top of the balance is still about 412 area. Okay, so as for tomorrow, I would think the close price, I think this 412 area is still going to be at play. Break and hold above the previous day high. I think we're going to want to ride that up to 415, 416. Okay, but if we break down back below, look to target that 410 area, and then 408 below there, because we know on some smaller time frames. Now, if you want to just look for some intraday levels, right, come down to the 30-minute. Okay, we can see here there's a big balance zone in here. So I think this 408.50 all the way to 408 can get tested in here if we break down under 410. Okay, back under 410, you'll want to target 408.50, 408, then 407-ish, which was today's low, 406 being the bottom of the balance. Tomorrow's going to be a tricky day. We always know on Fridays what? On Fridays, we do not want to trade heavy. You do not want to trade hero. You don't want to play hero ball. If you're green on the week, great. Use a small portion of profits. Take your one high probability setup and then get the fuck out of there. Turn off your computer, get outside, go play golf, do anything besides trade and watch a screen on a Friday. If you're red on the week, guys, it's probably best to just look, observe. You're never going to make your whole week back in one day. That's not how it works. Matter of fact, if you have that mindset, you usually end up making the week even worse. Okay, even worse. So for tomorrow, pretty much look at depending where we open. The data, we could just sell the fuck right back off. No idea. Only down 5 right now, but we won't know until an hour before. Okay, look for the high of the day break, call it 413. Any break and hold over 413, you want to ride that puppy on up to 415, 4 16. Look for a possible back test 410 and 408.50 to 408 underneath today's low. I think it pretty much is going to open up below 406 all the way down to the low we had on this is Wednesday here. Look at 404 there even. Okay. We'll have a better understanding of the plan. Like I said, guys, it's, you know, this plan the night before is to get you ready for the day. Obviously, when we do the Wolves of Wealth pre-market huddle, it's our 45-minute, it's our call that we do 45 minutes before market open. We have a much more detailed plan because we can see where we're going to opening. We do it 15 minutes after any economic data comes out. So we have a better understanding, a more detailed plan. Okay. But for as right now, guys, make sure you wake up early, get your levels right. And of course, don't do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.